Okay, so hello everyone. Now we are dealing with our this particular topic, that is review first unit review of MOSFET operation and fabrication. And today we are going to cover. So this is a syllabus of our topic overview of VLSI design. So today I am going to explain you the overview of VLSI design, and in the next lecture review of MOSFET operation and all other parts will cover one by one. Okay, so let's start with overview of VLSI design. So let's move to the next point. So in this lecture we are going to cover what you mean by integrated circuits, then what are the classification of integrated circuits, what you mean by VLSI, what are the objective of VLSI, and VLSI design, flow and applications. Okay, these are the matlab content of this lecture. So let's start with first point, that is integrated ICs or integrated circuits. Now, as we know that this is a IC, this is a picture of a IC, integrated IC. So integrated circuit or any monolithic integrated circuit or small version, okay, IC, we are or referred mostly commonly referred as IC, okay, is a set of electronic circuit on a small flat piece. Okay, all the circuit whatever you want that are available in very small form in the particular IC, and it is a small piece of this integrated circuit or a chip is called as a ICs. Okay, and the ICs are and there are many types of ICs are available, and different types of technologies are used for ICs. And say since it is originated from 1960, okay, so the start of the manufacturing of IC is originally start from 1960, and there are different types of ICs are available in the market. So let's see the different types of ICs. So first of all we'll see the classification. Okay, what are the classification of ICs? How many components or how many circuits are available or devices are available in one small IC piece, is accordingly it is classified into the different category. Okay, so let's see the classification of ICs. So this is a into classification. There are two types of ICs basically, digital ICs and linear ICs. Okay, digital ICs and linear ICs. So integrated ICs are according to their manufacturing process, the basic unit used for the IC, the type of material used in the IC, the how it is manufactured. So accordingly they are categorized in the different category: monolithic, thick and thin film, and hybrid circuit. And then second division or second category is according to which material we are using. If we have used transistor for the manufacturing of IC, then monolithic with bipolar transistor is used as a basic building block for the IC. And as we know that there are different types of transistors, so PN junction isolation or dielectric isolation. So these are the types of ICs. But nowadays bipolar ICs are not used. Most of the ICs are used are MOSFET type of IC, or MOSFET is a main building block that is used in IC. So in our syllabus we are going to learn the all the IC designing that depending upon the MOSFET, okay, or unipolar by using the MOSFET and JFET. Okay, so these are the different classifications of ICs. Now next, now how many number of transistor, okay, how many transistor used in a particular IC, accordingly it is categorized, subcategorized into the small scale integration, medium scale integration, large scale integration, and very large scale integration. Okay, and the ultra large scale integration, SSI. Okay, small scale integration is also called as SSI. Medium scale integration is called as MSI. Large scale integration is called as LSI. and we are learning VLSI, that is a very large scale integration, and these are the number of transistors are available into the VLSI IC. Okay, so yeah, these many number of transistors are available, and accordingly how many transistors are used is into the integration. Okay, VLSI, LSI or MSI. So accordingly the number of transistors are used in the design. This division is done. Now next is VLSI. Okay, what you mean by VLSI? Very large scale integration. So this is a VLSI. What the long form of VLSI is very large scale integration. Is the process of creating an integrated circuit. Obviously, the IC or integrated circuits or small form is used as a IC by combining millions of MOS transistors. Okay, as we have seen previously, it is manufactured by many basic devices. So if we use MOS transistors for the building block of our IC, as a building block of our IC, then millions of MOS transistors, it is integrated into the single chip. Okay, so VLSI began in 1970. Now this is a integration use. This is a manufacturing technique is okay. Now what is a VLSI used for? Now as we know, as we have learned that there are many applications are called as a smart applications, or they are having many functionality. So where it has been used, so VLSI circuits are used everywhere. Okay, it is used almost everywhere. In the real time applications like a microprocessor in a personal computer or workstation, chips in a graphical card. So there are many graphical cards are used, digital cameras, or many chips in a cell phone or portable computing devices, embedded process in automobiles. Okay, embedded processor in automobile. For example, nowadays there are many smart cars are available, or cars without drivers are available, and whatever be the additional feature introduced in automobile, that is used by due to the VLSI. Okay, or it is enabled by VLSI design. Now obviously VLSI has a two part, obviously software integration and hardware development, and whatever be the hardware specification you want should be designed in the software. Okay, so as per our requirement, we will use the VLSI by software as well as hardware.